Hello guys. One thing I love about living here in Florida because weather are tropical. It's almost like Philippines, but it's better than the Philippines, you know. And that is why a lot of rectory people from other states like snow states, they love to live here in Florida because weather are nice. And but then during summer it's really kind of hot, but it's better weather than the Philippines. In the Philippines we only have like two seasons, either it's rainy or sunny, summer, hot season, or uh, rainy season. That's the only we have in the Philippines. So it's nice. I'm very blessed, I'm fortunate to have live this country. So nice.